Enterprises today face more data than ever, yet most teams struggle to turn that data into actionable insights. Departments use separate tools for storage, reporting, and analytics, creating what we call data chaos. Slow insights, duplicated work, and wasted budgets are common. Jacob Saunders, EVP of Professional Services at Atmosra, puts it this way. True efficiency in data comes from unifying tools, aligning teams, and removing friction across the analytics lifecycle. Fragmented systems, duplicated datasets, and inconsistent governance slow decision-making and inflate costs. Microsoft Fabric addresses these challenges by creating a unified data foundation called OneLake. It provides shared storage, zero-copy access, built-in governance, and a SaaS operating model. Teams access the same data without moving it between platforms, reducing delays, errors, and redundant costs. Across industries, Fabric enables collaboration and real-time insights. Financial services teams consolidate risk analytics. Healthcare professionals integrate patient and operational data. Manufacturing operations get predictive maintenance alerts. Retailers sync customer analytics with inventory and marketing. Power BI integration allows analysts to query live data instantly, cutting duplication and speeding up reporting. By separating compute from storage and supporting open formats, Fabric lets enterprises modernize analytics gradually, reducing technical debt and preserving governance. Embedded cost controls and centralized policies ensure spending aligns with value. The result, faster insights, better collaboration, and operational clarity that drives innovation across teams. You can read the full article on our website and add this episode to your playlist to keep exploring how Microsoft Fabric transforms enterprise data.